তো আমি যে কথাটি বলতে চাই, আজকে এই যে ইন্টারন্যাশনাল কনফারেন্স, টুডেজ ইন্টারন্যাশনাল কনফারেন্স অন অ্যাসোসিয়েশন অফ সার্জনস অফ স্লিপ অ্যাপনিয়া বাংলাদেশ, respected chairperson, president of the society, Secretary General Monirala Aich, our beloved teacher, Professor Nilkanto Bhattacharya, Professor Abdullah, Professor Kamrul Hasan Tarokdar, and also my colleague, Pro-Vice Chancellor, Professor A.K. Musharraf, and all the dignitaries in front of me, and foreign faculties from India, Nepal, and America. First of all, I pay my deep respect to our father of the nation, Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, and all the martyrs who sacrificed their life during liberation. Today, I am very happy that once upon a time, ophthalmology was very popular in the country because they could give the sight to the people even in primary school by giving their eye camps. Nowadays, ENT has different subspecialty and they are doing very good works in our country, especially about a Toyota car. The amount of a Toyota car is given in the eyes, in the ears for as a cochlear implant, and many of the people who were maximum time they could not read, they could not hear, and ultimately they could be the burden of the society. So I think our government has given this type of facilities to the people through otolaryngologists. I am very happy that they are doing a lot of best works. More than 700 cochlear implant has been given by my university and also 100 in other institutes in our country. Again, sleep apnea. We heard in our medical life, who will operate thyroid, general surgery or ENT? Like this, sleep apnea, we heard that one of our respiratory specialists, respiratory medicine specialist, Professor A.K. Musharraf, he is also dealing with sleep apnea and also ENT. When Professor Kamrul Hasan Tarokdar asked me how we can make a sleep center in our university, probably we make an unit and screening of the sleep apnea. In future, you have already asked me for an institute. Once upon a time in different department, we have some wing, there was some division, then we made that department. So I think immediately institute is not possible. But in our university, we can make a sleep apnea unit as early as possible, which will be helpful for the people, and the people will be not only trained up, they will be able to help the people who suffers from this sleep apnea. If anyone comes to you in the morning, he is suffering from headache, he suffers from anxiety and depression, and his work is not as desired. He suffers from sleep apnea. Even though I think many of us may be sleep apneic, we can ask our wife, they can say whether I have sleep apnea or not, as because she knows my snoring, deep snoring. And when someone may die even with this sleep apnea as because of effect, sometimes the longer absence of breath. So I think we should ask our wife and we should take a screening program for our sleep apnea. I think the Department of Otolaryngology, they have a lot of energetic and specialists in different divisions of otolaryngology in our university. I think our university has a lot of research work. We have given the budgetary allocation, and I hope in future you will also give me at least after 1 year that how many people you have screened up and how many people have been taken their treatment from my university, and how many awareness you have given to the people for sleep apnea. I think the research work should be there. We have in our university the research work, treatment facilities, and also we are giving the postgraduate training and degrees in MS otolaryngology from our university. I hope the university will be successful one with the help of our otolaryngologists, and they will also help the patients of our country. I think as you have invited me here, I am very happy, and I thank the faculties from abroad who has taken a lot of trouble to come to Bangladesh. I hope your Bangladesh will give you a hospitality which will be, I think you will like it. With these few words, I thank the organizers for inviting me, and I wish and I open the conference, the conference inauguration is open, which was opened by our Professor Nilkanto. I thank you that the conference will be a successful one. With these few words, thank you very much. Joy Bangla, Joy Bangabandhu, long live Bangladesh.